Hi, 1952 here. Today I wanted to say that you should always be one step ahead. In this video we are going to be talking about self-improvement and how you can position yourself to becoming 1% better today. If you enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and comment what other self-improvement tips you want to share that worked best for you. Self-improvement is an ongoing process that involves taking steps to better yourself and improve your life. It can include things like learning new skills, setting and working towards goals, and making positive changes to your habits and mindset. One area that many people are interested in improving is their financial situation. Making more money can be a powerful way to improve your quality of life and give you more opportunities and options. But how do you go about making more money? Here are a few ideas to get you started. Set financial goals. What do you want to achieve financially? Do you want to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, or build up your savings? Setting clear financial goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Get an education. Investing in your education can be a great way to increase your earning potential. Consider taking e-commerce courses or earning a position that benefits your knowledge in that field that pays well. Network. Building relationships and making connections can open up new opportunities for advancement and better paying jobs. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and make an effort to get to know people in your field. Be open to change. Sometimes, making more money might mean making a change to your career or job. Be open to exploring new opportunities and consider taking on additional responsibilities or trying out a new field. Seek out additional income streams. In addition to your regular job, look for ways to earn extra money on the side. This might include starting a side hustle, doing freelance work, or investing in a passive income stream. Remember, self-improvement is an everlasting journey, and making more money are ongoing processes that take time and effort. Be patient and stay focused on your goals, and you'll be well on your way to improving your financial situation. Thanks for watching.